Hello everyone, let's tie the ponytail and then rotate the hairs. After rotating it, we will tie the hairs from the bottom section and fold it upward like this. Fix it using the bun pins and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the hairs and take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then fix this hair clip on the hairs. Now divide the hairs into 3 parts and fix them inside each section of the clips like this. After that, tie it from the top. Now roll it down and fix it using the bun pins and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, tie the ponytail. Now fix this bun pin on the hairs and then fix the rubber band over it. Now tie the hairs from the bottom section, fold it and fix it on the right side like this using the designer bun clips and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs and then pull it down. Now rotate the hairs, fix it like this. After that, put the hairs on the sides and divide them. Now make the plaits and fix it on the top and using this hair clutch, fix it on the top like this and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, divide the hairs into 3 parts and make the plaits like this. After you are done with the plaits, we will fold the hairs upward and fix it by folding it like this. This is a very easy hairstyle. Fold it and fix it using the hair clutch and your bun is ready. Next, we will take the hairs and tie it. Now rotate the hairs and then fix it like this from the between. Tie the rubber band and fold it and fix it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.